In the time that it takes to soft boil eggs, this breakfast will be ready. Healthy, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. Let's start with the eggs. Bring water to a gentle boil and add as many eggs as you plan to eat. Now, here's a little trick to prevent cracking. I gently dip the eggs in and out of the water a few times just to help them adjust to the temperature before fully submerging them. Make sure the water isn't boiling too aggressively. A gentle simmer helps avoid cracks. It works most of the time, but yes, it requires a little patience. While the eggs cook, I'll prepare the yogurt sauce. Traditionally, this is made with full fat yogurt or sour cream, but I'm going to lighten it up and boost the protein. I'm using low fat cottage cheese and full fat Greek yogurt. For reference, 3/4 of a cup or 170 grams of yogurt has about 170 calories. I'll process the cottage cheese first, more on that in a second. Since I'm making 2 servings, I'll start with 1 cup of cottage cheese. Add in 2 garlic cloves. I like a strong garlic flavor, but feel free to adjust to your taste. A bit of salt and black pepper, and blend until completely smooth. I am using an immersion blender, but any blender works. Once the cheese is smooth, add 3/4 of a cup, 170 grams of Greek yogurt. To enhance the flavor, I love using fresh dill. Chop just the leaves, skip the stems, and set a bit aside for garnish later. Stir the dill into the sauce. I don't blend at this point. Yogurt can get very runny when blended, and I want this sauce thick and creamy. Now, you may ask, why use low fat cottage cheese and full fat yogurt, not the other way around? Here's why. Non fat Greek yogurt can taste sour, while low fat cottage cheese is just bland compared to its full fat version. So, by combining low fat cottage cheese with creamy full fat yogurt, you get a rich texture without the sourness and save calories without compromising the taste, especially if you're using a good brand like Fayet. Just look how thick and creamy this is. Now, for a little flavor boost, this is where a few extra calories go a long way. I'm melting 1 tablespoon of butter for 2 servings. The original recipe uses much more, but trust me, this is enough. Add a teaspoon of harissa for some heat, or substitute with cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Pinch of salt. Let it bubble gently until it's fragrant and the butter sauce is ready. By now, the eggs are done, and so is everything else. Time to assemble. Spread the sauce over a plate. Make a little well in the center and nestle the soft boiled eggs right in. Cut them in half. Just look at that yolk. Drizzle the spicy butter over the top. Finish with a pinch of salt on the eggs and the reserved dill. I'm serving this with my sourdough bread, and I'm ready to eat. So quick, so delicious, and so healthy. High in protein, not too high in calories. The perfect way to start your day.